Lights off, room lit, dim from this tablet. Still see the blood that's stained on his fabric. Jay spits flames faster than a jackrabbit in the middle of the night, and a leather black jacket. Yo, I look up at the sky and realize that it's never ending, and they told me that's the limit. Now I realize they're pretending. If they don't let me in heaven, I don't know where they will send me, cause hell is on this earth and they're the ones who fucking sent me in the first place. Back in Buffalo, I'm just a blurred face with many more emotions. Yo, I'm trapped inside a birdcage, trying to get known on Twitter. Look at who I fucking am, and then take a look at my baby sister. My mind tells me to cut the shit, but I don't have the scissors. I'm trying to make it somewhere fucking warm up in this blizzard. It's a no-go. Fall back as this winter snow blows. Trying to follow dreams when there's icicles on the goalpost. Working that graveyard shift, fuck, I'm scared of no ghost. If I diss you on a track, you better stay to hear the whole roast. I'm still making you feel like total shit if I'm using old jokes. Fuck a fast pace, yo, I'm rolling with the slow pokes. Drink a bottle of coke after I huffed and puffed a line of it. Scratching beats for pussy rappers, look like their vaginas itch. Stress you out till your hair turns white like you dying it. Fuck selling CDs cause no one's gonna buy this shit. The game's a piece of cake served to me with a fucking bite in it. That's why you hear me complaining so much, cause I have rights to bitch. Talk to me with your chest out, yo, I put a knife in it. Pull it out and stab you once again as if I'm liking it. It's Jay Good, your bitch, and I'm bringing you that psycho shit. With one pit bull and another one like a Michael Vick. It's Captain Verse and Captain Hook just chilling on a pirate ship. One match and a can of gas, my rhymes will just ignite this bitch.